Hey guys, this is George. Welcome back to George Basics Crypto channel. In this video, I'll teach you how and where you can buy Milady meme coin without the gas fees for the best price. And before I start, don't forget to hit the like button. Likes are very important for us, and don't forget to subscribe and remember that this is not financial advice. Personally, I totally recommend you to buy Milady meme coin on BitGet for the several reasons. First of all, if you don't have any information about BitGet, I will tell you that BitGet is in top 26s in the world, guys, and at the moment BitGet is on 13th position, as you can see, with more than $942 million trading volume in the last 24 hours. So this is very fast growing exchange in the world with a lot of advantages, and I will talk about them in this video. First of all, guys, the BitGet has got the lowest fees on deposits. You can deposit money using your credit card or debit card or using the third-party payment providers, and the fees are very low. Also, guys, they don't have gas fees. You can buy Milady meme coin or any other coins without gas fees and without additional fees. And the third, guys, and the most important, they have got an exclusive campaign for my channel and for my viewers. You can get $10 trading bonus if you use the link which is in the description or in the comment section. Like here, guys, as you can see, here is the sign up link, and if you deposit $50 on your balance, you will get $10 trading bonus. And I think that this is a great bonus, but hurry up, guys, it's until 13th May. And also you can use other benefits too, guys. So now I'll show you how to buy Milady token on BitGet. First of all, you need to sign up using the link which is in the description. Once you sign up, guys, then you need to deposit your money. Go to buy crypto in the top menu, use your credit or debit card, or you can use third-party payment providers. For example, I will show you this. Let's select a currency here. For example, 100 USD, and we want to receive the USDT. Here are the several payment providers, as you can see, and at the moment Simplex has got the best value. There are also other options, guys. You should check all of the options and you should choose the option that has got best value at the current moment. So at the moment Simplex is the best option, so let's choose Simplex. You need to click the next button and you need to finish the payment process, or you can just simply use your credit or debit card to deposit money on BitGet. Once you will have USDTs on your balance, then you can buy Milady meme coin. To buy Milady meme coin, you need to go to trade, you need to go to spot trading, and in the left side here you can see BTC USDT, and here is a triangle. You need to hover this triangle, and in the search bar you need to type ladies, and here is Milady meme coin, ladies/USDT. Open this, and in the right side here in this gap you need to enter the amount of USDT you are going to pay to buy Milady tokens. So for example, let's choose 100 USDT, and then you need to click buy ladies button, and in a second you will have Milady token on your balance, guys. So that's all I wanted to teach you in this video. If there is some questions, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to use these benefits which are especially for my channel. And hurry up, guys, it's until 13th May. Thank you and see you in the next video.